All right, let's break down what GM just unveiled because this isn't your typical car tech update. It's a full-stack transformation of what a vehicle is, what it does, and how it fits into your life. And if you're tracking the intersection of AI, autonomy, and consumer hardware, this is one of those moments that signals a real shift. So here's the core of it. GM launching conversational AI in 2026 and true eyes-off driving by 2028. That is not just a roadmap. It's a commitment to turning the car into a responsive, intelligent system that adapts to you. And they're not just layering this on top of existing tech. They're rebuilding the architecture from the ground up. Let's start with the AI. Next year, GM vehicles will start integrating Google's Gemini. Yes, the same multimodal model that's been making waves in natural language and contextual reasoning. This isn't just about voice commands. You'll be able to talk to your car like you would a smart assistant but with real context. Want to find a charging stop near your favorite cafe? Done. Need help prepping for a meeting while you drive? It's got you. Dave Richardson, GM's SVP of Software Engineering and formerly a director at Apple, says the goal is seamless integration, practical AI that actually makes your life easier. But Gemini is just the beginning. GM's already working on its own custom-built AI, fine-tuned to each vehicle and connected through OnStar. This assistant will learn your habits, anticipate your needs, and even handle logistics like service appointments or route optimization. Richardson gave a pretty wild example. The car could queue up videos for your kids and an audiobook for you before a road trip, detect a wobble in the wheel, and answer questions about nearby landmarks, all without you lifting a finger. Now let's talk autonomy. GM's eyes-off system is set to debut in the 2028 Cadillac Escalade IQ EV. And yeah, it's legit. We're talking full disengagement. Hands off the wheel, eyes off the road. You'll know it, S-active, when the turquoise lights on the dashboard and mirrors light up. That's your cue to relax, check email, or binge something on the Escalade's 55-inch screen while cruising at 63 mph. Technically, this system is built on sensor fusion, LiDAR, radar, and cameras, working together to create a comprehensive understanding of the environment. It's not just perception, it's decision-making, trained on 700 million miles of Super Cruise data and 5 million miles from Cruise AS' now-retired robotaxi fleet. That data feeds into a unified vehicle architecture that brings propulsion, steering, braking, infotainment, and safety onto a single computer core. The result? 35x more AI performance and 1,000x more bandwidth than GM's previous systems, with full over-the-air upgrade capabilities. And this isn't just a highway feature. Sterling Anderson, GM AS Chief Product Officer, formerly of Tesla, says the system will expand to urban environments and eventually handle errands. That's inching toward Level 3 autonomy, where the car handles most tasks and the driver only steps in when needed. GM's working with Nvidia to power these systems, and they're promising a rollout that's faster than the original Super Cruise expansion. What's interesting is GM's positioning. While Tesla's pushing robotaxis and fleet services, GM's doubling down on personal autonomy. Mary Barra, GM's CEO, says the focus is on making autonomy a cornerstone of the personal vehicle experience. It's not about ride-hailing. It's about giving everyday drivers the gift of time. And they're not stopping there. GM's also investing in cobots, collaborative robots that assist in vehicle assembly, and expanding their GM Energy business, which includes bidirectional EV charging and home battery systems. Starting in 2026, these will be available via leasing, making it easier for EV owners to integrate backup power and solar into their homes. So yeah, this isn't just a tech demo. It's GM staking a claim in the future of mobility, where AI isn't just a feature, it's the foundation. Between Gemini, Cruise, Nvidia, and their new compute architecture, they're building vehicles that don't just move you, they understand you, adapt to you, and evolve with you. This is the moment GM stopped building cars and started building intelligent systems.